Dear students, my name is Joshua Mugabi. The subject is chemistry. I welcome you to Chemistry MCQs. This is paper 9. Let us start our quiz. Which of the following is true about electroplating silver with gold? 1. Silver nitrate solution is used as the electrolyte. 2. Gold is made the anode. 3. Silver is made the anode. 4. Gold is deposited at the cathode. One and 3 only, which is silver nitrate solution is used as the electrolyte and silver is made the anode. Which of the following is or are unsaturated hydrocarbons? 1. Ethene. 2. Butene. 3. Propene. 4. Ethanol. One, 2, and 3, which is ethene, butene, and propene. Which of the following ions are soluble in excess sodium hydroxide? 1. Lead ions. Aluminium ions. 3. Zinc ions. 4. Magnesium ions. One, 2, and 3. Lead ions, aluminium ions, and zinc ions. Alkaline solutions are characterized by 1. Turning moist blue litmus to red. 2. High solubility in water. 3. Low pH. 4. Salt formation with acids. Four only, which is salt formation with acids. Which of the following substances is efflorescent? Sodium carbonate. Sodium hydrogen carbonate is an example of an acid salt. Element E has atomic number 8 and mass number 16. The number of neutrons in E is sulfate. Which of the following gases is dried using calcium oxide? Hydrogen. Green pigment in the green leaves can be separated by chromatography. Which of the following sets of elements are arranged in their correct order of affinity for oxygen, beginning with the one with the highest affinity? Aluminium, followed by zinc, and then followed by carbon. Two grams of sodium hydroxide was dissolved in water to make 500 cubic centimeters of solution. Given that sodium hydroxide equals to 40, the molality of the solution is 0.1 molar. Element Y is a metal that exists naturally as an oxide. The element is higher than hydrogen and lower than aluminium in the activity series. Y can be extracted from its oxide by heating the oxide with carbon. A solution P turns yellow when concentrated nitric acid is added to it. When sodium hydroxide solution is added to P, green precipitate is formed, which turns brown on standing. P contains iron 2 ions. Sodium sulphite is used during the extraction of sugar from sugarcane in order to crystallize sugar. Which of the following is prepared by double decomposition method? Lead sulphate. Which one of the following gases is used in making electric bulb light? Argon. Which of the following equations represent the reaction that takes place at the cathode in a Daniell cell? Copper 2 ions plus 2 electrons to give us copper solid. An element 2 has the electronic structure 2 to 8 to 8 to 1. The atomic number of 2 is 19. 3.6 grams of element R combined with 1.4 grams of element S. The simplest formula of the compound formed is RS2. Dear students, thank you very much to attending to Chemistry Revision Paper 9. Let us meet in Chemistry Revision Paper 10.